Looking for the perfect side dish to prepare, which is going to take around 10 to 15 minutes, and it's going to need minimal or basic ingredients, which you definitely have in your kitchen. Try out this easy and simple peri peri potatoes, which are going to be your new favorite way to serve up potatoes because they are very flavorful, well salted with a touch of coriander, which makes the potatoes super delicious. Peel 4 to 5 medium potatoes, then you're going to cut into bite-sized pieces just like this. The recipe is super simple because you need some cooking oil, your peri peri seasoning, which is the key ingredient, coriander, and salt. So we are going to get straight into making our delicious potatoes, which are going to be a half because it's a stove-top recipe, so you can double or even triple the ingredients to make some more for your entire family. Yeah, the oil is going to take around 30 seconds to a minute to heat up, and whenever you're buying potatoes, always go for the best quality for the best outcome. There are different varieties of potatoes, some which overcook, some which don't crispen up. So yeah, just check as you buy so that you can get some awesome results. You're going to check if your cooking oil is ready by inserting a skewer or a wooden spatula. Once you notice small bubbling, the oil is ready. If you notice lots of bubbling bubbles, the oil is too hot, so the potatoes are going to cook super fast on the outside and not cook on the inside. Carefully, you're going to toss your potatoes and let them cook for around 1 to 2 minutes. And this step is very crucial because the potatoes are going to cook on the inside. If your oil is not hot enough, once you add in the potatoes, they're going to stick on the bottom of the pan. So I know a few of you have experienced that. Just make sure that the oil is hot before adding in your potatoes. Check on your potatoes as they're frying, and as you can see, they're starting to get that gorgeous color. So I'm going to transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towels for the potatoes to drain off the excess oil. Add in my next round. So now you're going to wait for around 30 seconds to 45 seconds so that the oil can get super hot for the potatoes to crispen up. I'm going to pick a bowl. Ready for my potatoes. Once the oil is ready, you're going to carefully drop in your potatoes. Then you're going to cook your potatoes for around a minute. After 30 seconds, you're going to put out the flames, and the potatoes are super crispy. They have a very nice, gorgeous golden brown color. So I'm going to transfer to my bowl. Just listen to that crunch. And immediately the potatoes are from the cooking oil, you're going to be adding in your peri peri seasoning and salt. So I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and the salt is going to melt into the potatoes because they're still hot. Add in my peri peri seasoning, touch of coriander, then I'm going to toss. My peri peri potatoes are well seasoned and they're looking so gorgeous. We have a kick of spiciness because peri peri seasoning is a combination of several spices, including cayenne. All these spices make the potatoes so delicious. So I hope you'll be giving this recipe a try because it's perfect for meal prep. Also, it's perfect for a fast or a quick lunch or dinner idea.